Good morning students. As in previous video, I continued the chapter The Banda Club, in which I had told you how the narrator's wife was very anxious for Bruno, for Baba, as Baba was sent to a Jew at Mysore and 3 months had passed. She was crying, narrator's wife was crying, she was greatly worried, and on the other hand, Baba was also worried, he was also not eating in the cage. And when narrator had taken his wife to Mysore and narrator's wife saw Baba and she wanted to take back, narrator wrote a letter to the superintendent and superintendent told that the curator of the Jew should send Baba in a cage to Bangalore. Students, now you will study how Baba was kept in a cage and he was sent to Bangalore with narrator and his wife. Now see. All of you open page number 118 and paragraph number 20. Now see all of you. Back we went to Mysore again, armed with superintendent's letter. While returning, narrator and his wife had gone to Bangalore and they met superintendent, and superintendent had given them a letter, and taking the letter again they went to Mysore to take Baba back. Back we went to Mysore again armed with the superintendent's letter. Baba was driven into a small cage and hoisted on top of the car. Hoisted is raised. Now curator had given Baba back to the narrator's wife. Now Baba was kept in a cage and this cage was raised on the top of the car and kept there. The cage was tied securely. Securely means safely. The cage of Baba was tied safely. And slow and careful return journey to Bangalore was accomplished. Now, while they were returning, narrator was driving the car slowly as Baba was kept in a cage on the top of the car. So the speed was low, slow speed was there, and anyhow they reached Bangalore and this journey was accomplished. Accomplished means finished, completed. The journey from Mysore to Bangalore was now completed. Once home of coolies were engaged. Square means team. Square means team. And at home, narrator had provided ever for a team of coolies engaged for special work in our compound. What work was given to the coolies? Let's see. An island was made for Baba. Students, now the narrator arranged in his compound. He ordered, he told the team of police to make an island there for Baba. How it was made? Let's see. It was 20 feet long. That island was 20 feet long and 15 feet wide, and its width was 15 feet. And was surrounded by a dry pit or moat. Moat means ditch. Moat means ditch. Now that island was surrounded by a ditch, dry ditch, 6 feet wide and 7 feet deep. That ditch was 6 feet wide and 7 feet deep. In this way that island was made by coolies for Baba to live there, and 20 feet long. This island was 20 feet long and 15 feet wide, and the dish that was around the island was 7 feet deep and 6 feet wide. Yes. And what other things were made there? A wooden box that once housed fowls. Fowls type of bird. Fowls type of bird. There was a wooden box in which earlier fowls, means a type of birds, were kept there. That box was brought there. Once fowls was brought and put on the island for Baba to sleep in at night. And this box, this wooden box was brought there for Baba to sleep at night. Straw was placed inside to keep him warm. In that box, inside that box, straw was spread, dry grass, straw was spread to make Baba warm. And his baby, the gnarled stump, gnarled means twisted, gnarled means twisted, stump means trunk of a tree. I have told you, there was a piece of wood, that was the trunk of a tree. As you know, that Baba was using as a baby, and while you were asking, anybody was asking, Baba, where is baby? So at that time, Baba was moving side by side that piece of wood, that trunk of wood, thinking that it was a baby. That baby was also kept there. Baby means that piece of wood was also kept there. The gnarled stump along with his gun, the piece of bamboo, and a piece of bamboo was also kept there that Baba was using as a gun. Both of which had been sentimentally means emotionally. These things were preserved, kept there emotionally, sentimentally. Since he had been sent away to the Jew, who were put back for him to play with. Whatever material, whatever things Baba was playing with, just like baby, that was the trunk of a tree, as well as a bamboo, that he was using gun. These things were kept safely while Baba was sent to Mysore, and again those things were kept on that island where his cage was there to play with. In a few days, the coolies hoisted the cage. After some days, the coolies had taken that cage of Baba to that island. In a few days, the coolies hoisted the cage onto the island, and Baba was released there. Now, students, when island was prepared, then Baba was taken by the coolies in that cage to that place, and there Baba was released. Then Baba was opened and he became free to play, to move, to live on that island. In a few days, the coolies hoisted the cage onto the island, and Baba was released there. He was left. He was delighted. Now Baba was feeling happiness there. He was not feeling happy in the cage while 3 months he spent in the cage at Mysore. In the zoo, he was not feeling happiness, but now he was feeling happiness. He was delighted, standing on his hind legs. Now Baba was standing on his hind legs and he was happy. He pointed his gun and cradled his baby. Now Baba was happy and he was pointing his gun, means that a piece of bamboo was there, and he was using as a gun. He was pointing and he cradled the baby, means that trunk of wood. My wife spent hours sitting on a chair there, while he sat on her lap. And time to time, narrator's wife was also going to that island and keeping Baba in her lap. She was feeling happy. My wife spent hours, and she was spending hours and hours. My wife spent hours sitting on a chair there while he sat on her lap. He was 15 months old now and pretty heavy too. Now Baba had been now 15 months. He was 15 months old and he has been heavy and pretty. Pretty means beautiful. That Baba was now looking beautiful. In this way, students, today you have studied that narrator's wife could not live without Baba, so she had gone to Mysore and she brought Baba again to her house, and you have studied how the narrator arranged an island. He ordered the police to make an island to leave Baba there, and how a box was kept there to sleep Baba at night. And now Baba was happy. He was pointing the gun and he cradled the baby, means that was the trunk of tree, and he was very happy. Now he had been 15 years old, 15 months old, not years. Now he had been 15 months old and he had been happy, and pretty means beautiful also. Further students, what had happened, I will teach you tomorrow. Thank you.